Hey Ben, you want to make a game? Yeah, kinda. What do you want to make it about? You give me an idea. How about steampunk? Nah. Okay then. What about a bounty hunter? Probably not. What the heck is that green thing? I don't know. What about a space shooter? Sounds like a movie series I've seen. Can't really pin it down though. Wait, what if you went on a holy crusade? Yes! Great idea. You are promoted. And this is where my little devlog journey began, developing a Crusader game. Okay, so this is about a week later, and this is what we have. A very bad level in Unity. So, my dog's being noisy if you can hear it. Textures all custom made, including this boy right here. So if we take a look at him, he has, where is it? Custom made script called movement. You can adjust the movement speed, jump force. This is just the animator, and this is the projectiles. You'll see that later when we actually play the game, which won't be too long from now. And the launch offset, which is basically where it shoots the projectiles from. There's a few more things that I would like to add. These are obviously just obstacles, but this is a coin. I had an idea for the coins. Rather than it being like a Super Mario coin, you just collect it and you get 1 life. This I'd actually get it like something kind of unique. So like you have to solve a puzzle to get that said coin, and you can use the said coin to like get like something from a shop. And also this box is different. These two are for solving a puzzle to get over this edge. Okay, I think we are ready to start playing the game. And we're in. So you see there's an animation here that I use using the Unity animator, and this is just him idle. He bobs up and down once or twice, cocks his gun, because well, it's kind of inspired by the Bread Boys YouTube channel if you've ever seen it. Here's him walking back and forth. Here's his jump, and he can shoot using the click. Doesn't do much right now, but see that's the coin. Because I was talking for so long, the coin naturally rolled into the little spot and plugged the hole, which was supposed to be the puzzle, but I'll solve that later. If we jump over here, you can see that we cannot make this jump, but what we can do, we can shoot this box and then shoot this one out of the way so that we can get up here. And that's all I really have so far. This was about 2 days of programming and 3 days of figuring out what I actually wanted to do. So a lot of this actually was less the coding and more just the animations. So that's really all I have so far. Also, there's one thing I've been struggling on, is if you can look up here, This is called Rename Later. I don't actually have a name for this game yet, so if you guys can tell me what the game is, what I should name the game, down in the comments section, then I would be forever grateful.
Hey guys, thank you for watching the video the full way through. Be sure to like and subscribe. And if you would like, share this with a friend. Sharing this with a friend would be the most you could do, because I am still a growing channel with only 42 subscribers. And see you guys in the next upload. What?